claw puzzle, where the goal is to free this fish. We have this big silver piece, a crab shape, like you can see. 2 cutout, one here, one there. On the back, 4 cutout, 1, 2, 3, and 4. To free the fish, we're going to start with the first cutout. We just use the opening and we slide along the cutout. Next, rotate the fish and use the cutout on the back. We are here. We just rotate again the fish and we're going to use this cutout. Donc opening go on the cutout. Now we're going to rotate counterclockwise the fish. If you try to rotate clockwise the fish, that does not work. Fish is too big. Donc counterclockwise, we're going to use this cutout on the back. Just need to find the right positions. We are here. We can try to use the cutout to free the fish. In my case, it's working. If it's not working, no problem. We're going to use again this cutout. Just let's see, rotate the fish with the cutout. We are here. And now we're going to use this cutout and after this one. Donc, first cutout, second cutout. We are in these positions. Just rotate the fish and slide the fish along this part. And like you can see, we have free also the fish. To put back the fish, the tail will be in the back of the silver piece. This way, we just slide. We just rotate the fish and we're going to use this cutout and after this one. First cutout, second cutout, we just rotate the fish. We're going to use this cutout. We are here. Rotate the fish. And now we're going to use this cutout. Okay. We are here. Now we just rotate. In this case, no, it's clockwise, the fish. And we're going to use again this cutout. Next, this cutout. And finally, we use again this cutout. Donc slide the fish. And you can see we have successfully solved the puzzle both ways. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.